Hi my sweet friends, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a product review, so let's get started. Welcome back my sweet friends. Okay, so today we are going to do a product review. So this says Selfie Studio. On the top it says 3 color modes, 10 brightness modes, 360 degree phone holder swivel head, and flexible neck. It says vlogging, social media, live streaming, so it's good for all. And then it's Bluetooth included, remote shutter for photos and videos. So we're gonna open it up and see. Why did I get this? Well, I'm struggling with, when I'm doing crafts, I need a better light. Right now I have just a lamp. I've tried my studio lights and it's just not bright enough. So we're opening it up. The first thing we have is the remote is kicking in the bottom there. There we go. So the box is now empty. Okay, so we have the instruction manual, user manual for mic RLM01. Package includes Selfie Studio, Bluetooth remote, and user manual. So it's in bubble wrap. There is a cord. It's a USB, so it runs on USB. Here's the light and the swivel and the clamp. So pretty straightforward. And then there is this piece that is going to hold the phone or a camera. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to read it and then away we'll go. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So you have your button control here. The top one up here is brightness up. The second one is color mode. The third one is brightness down. And the fourth button is power on and off. It says pairing your phone with your Bluetooth remote shutter. Turn on your Bluetooth remote shutter by moving the side switch onto on. The blue light will start flashing. Your Bluetooth remote shutter is now in pairing mode. Open your Bluetooth options on your phone. Most phones, this can be done by going to the settings and then selecting Bluetooth. Once the Bluetooth is open, select the device AB Shutter 3 from the list of device options. You may need to wait a few seconds, but it should say connect. Opening the camera application on your phone, just as you always do when you are about to take a picture. Shoot. Press the applicating button to indicate take a picture with your smartphone from a distance up to 30 feet. Using an iPhone, press the button that says Camera 360 iOS on your Bluetooth remote shutter. Using an Android, press the button that says Android. Compatible with Android 4.2 OS or newer, and iOS 6.0 or newer. This device complies with the part of 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following conditions. This device may not cause harmful interference. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired option. Technical support. Please do not attempt to fix this product by yourself. If you experience any problems with the product, please do not return it to the store where you bought it from. You can contact our technical support representative and they will assist you with any questions you might have. For assistant operating your product, please consult the user manual first. if you failed to contact technical support, and then it tells you where it's from. So that's everything in the user manual. And I took off one plastic, so this is where this clips onto here. So we're going to open it up a little so it can clip on. Oops, opened it up too far. There we go. And now we'll just tighten it back down. Okay, so that's on for your phone. I do have my phone close by, so we'll use that in a minute. There is another piece of plastic on here, and I'm just going to get some scissors to cut it off. And then we will plug it in and see at least how the light is working. I don't record with my phone, so, but I guess I could still just pair it. There, we got it on. So there's the clamp here. So we're just going to clamp it down and see how well it works. So I have it plugged in, the blue light is on, and on the remote there's a little tiny spot here on the side, this little button. I turned it on, it is now flashing. I see the AB shutter, so I'm going to click on it to connect. So it is now connected. So we're going to open the phone. And it took a picture when I pushed the button. So, okay. So if we move it over to video, it's starting to record with just pushing this button on your remote, and then when you want to stop, you just hit the button again. So it works. So now what we're going to do is clamp it and see how the light is. So I'm just going to clamp it to the side of the table, just like that. I'm going to pull the light up, turn it over. Here's the neck part. Okay, so let's see. The first one is the brightness. Color mode is the second one. So there's the light there. That's pretty bright. Okay, and then the second one is to change the color. So there's that one, and then you can lower it down, or you can make it higher, brighter. So it's definitely cute. It's bright. We'll see how it works over the next couple of videos. My phone does fit in here, so you just have to pull it apart and put your phone on. I do have a case, so I want to take it out of the case because I don't want my blings to get caught up. So just pull it open and your phone sits on it just like that. Can you guys see? There's the phone. Yeah, there's the phone, and above it is the light. So, and you can just turn the phone this way and work on it. So it's you know, I don't know if I will be putting my phone on it or not, but I definitely wanted the light, and I could always use it whenever I need to. So if I do want to use my phone, it's definitely an option. If not, I can just push that out of the way and just work with the light. So it works. So we'll see how well it works in the next few videos on my crafts. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone.